Hey, what's up? My favorite earbuds from 2024 are back, and now in a Plus version. If you do not remember, we made a video about the EarFun Air Pro 4 a couple of years ago, and I called them my favorite earbuds of 2024. You know, it has been a long time, and the company could have released the 5th generation of earbuds, but they probably haven't made that many improvements, so it is still the 1st generation, but now it is the Plus version. So in this video, we will test the EarFun Air Pro 4 Plus earbuds and talk about their design, sound quality, microphone quality, latency in games, mobile app, battery, and find out how the Plus version differs from the previous one. Let's start by unboxing. So I can already see that the design of the new earbuds box has been changed. It means that the company didn't just add Plus to the name on the box, but really worked hard on this. We are promised premium sound thanks to LDAC, high-res audio, and Snapdragon sound support. You can also read about the main features of the new earbuds on the back of the box. Opening the box, first we see the envelope with the user manual and a warranty card. There is even a stick for cleaning earbuds. Next we have the charging case, but we will come back to it a little later. There is also a USB-C to USB-A charging cable and silicone ear tips of different sizes in the package. You know, even though the design of the box has changed, its contents remain the same. However, the EarFun Air Pro 4 Plus has a new charging case, which is a big surprise for me. Let me remind you that the case of the previous earbuds looked like this. I prefer the new charging case because it looks more premium. In addition, it has an LED indicator on the front, which is easier to see. There is also the EarFun logo on the front. The button and USB-C charging port are on the bottom. The case is made of matte plastic that doesn't show fingerprints. Overall, this plastic doesn't look and feel cheap. The inside of the case is made of glossy plastic, which already shows fingerprints, but you probably won't touch it very often. Here we see 2 earbuds. It seems that very little has changed in the design of the new EarFun Air Pro 4 Plus compared to the previous version. I even think they are identical. The outer part with the logo and touch control buttons is made of matte plastic, while the inner part is made of glossy plastic and it has charging contacts. Since these are in-ear earbuds, they have silicone ear tips. As I said before, extra ear tips are included, so make sure you choose the right size for you. By the way, it is not mentioned anywhere on the box or on the official website, but the earbuds are suitable for sports because they have IP55 dust and water resistance. They also fit securely in your ears, so they shouldn't fall out while you're exercising. To conclude on the design, I want to mention the size and weight. The dimensions of the charging case are 60 by 50 by 25 mm. The weight with the earbuds is 54 grams. As for the earbud itself, its dimensions are 35 by 20 by 25 mm. The weight is 5 grams. Okay, now let's connect the earbuds to a smartphone and take a look at the mobile app. This is where one of the main new features of the EarFun Air Pro 4 Plus comes in. The companion app for the new earbuds is called EarFun Audio. It is available on Android and iOS devices. Here we can see the battery level of each earbud and the charging case. You can also change the earbud's name if you want. The EarFun Air Pro 4 Plus supports 3 sound modes, such as normal, ambient sound, and noise cancelling. We will talk more about the noise cancellation a little later. There is also a game mode available in the app. We will check it out very soon. In the equalizer settings, you can select presets such as rock, pop, country, R&B, etc. As well as create a custom equalizer or your own sound profile. The new earbuds also support an ear detection feature. Then you can disable all controls and customize the controls. For example, disable left or right ear button, and assign functions to single, double, triple, and long presses. There are many functions available here, but I will leave them at their default settings. Other features in the app include dual device connection, Bluetooth audio quality, microphone, voice prompt settings, hearing health, LE audio, and faint headphones. So I like it when earbuds support a mobile app, but usually they have very few functions, such as an equalizer and some others. As for the new EarFun earbuds, they really have a lot of features and settings in the app. Remember I told you about one of the main new features of the EarFun Air Pro 4 Plus. It is AI translation. It wasn't available in the previous earbuds. There are two modes available for translation: face-to-face and real-time. Using face-to-face mode, you can speak into the smartphone
Привіт, як справи? Що робиш?
and receive the translation in the earbuds, and vice versa.
Hello, how are you? What are you doing?
By the way, there are many languages available here. I think you will find yours. As for real-time mode, you speak into the earbuds.
Привіт! Сьогодні у нас презентація нових наушників EarFun. Зараз я розкажу про особливості нових наушників.
And the translation appears on your phone screen. This is convenient for conferences and other events when the speaker talks in their own language and you need translation. In the settings, you can view your translation history, change phone broadcast voice, earphone broadcast voice, and font size. By the way, AI translation requires an internet connection. If you don't have internet access, you will not see this feature in the app. I saw a game mode in the app. Let's check the latency in PUBG Mobile with and without game mode on the EarFun Air Pro 4 Plus. You know the audio latency in games is quite high without game mode. You can really feel it and it is not very comfortable to play. But when you turn on the game mode, the latency is much lower, although it is still there. Anyway, it is much better to play now. As for the microphone and call quality, it seems that nothing has changed in the new earbuds, because they have the same 6 microphones with AI algorithm and CVC 8.0 technology. However, let's check the call quality anyway.
Hey, what's up? I'm talking to you through the new EarFun Air Pro 4 Plus earbuds. How do you hear me? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I have played a video with street noise on my computer. Can you hear the noise? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
My opinion is that the microphone quality of the EarFun Air Pro 4 Plus is quite good. Although noise cancellation doesn't remove all noise, you can still hear very well in crowded places. Finally, we can talk about the sound quality of the EarFun Air Pro 4 Plus. The new earbuds use the same 10mm composite dynamic driver as the previous model, but now they have an ultralight FeatherBA armature. So the new earbuds are actually equipped with a hybrid driver system. They also have Nano Side-Fitted Acoustic Architecture. This is an 11-degree alignment between the dynamic driver and FeatherBA balanced armature to minimize interference. The EarFun earbuds are equipped with Qualcomm QCC3091 chip and advanced Bluetooth 6.0. They also support iOS audio, LDAC, aptX lossless, and LC3 codecs. That is amazing and unbelievable for earbuds under $100, isn't it? I don't have the previous earbuds right now to compare them side by side with the new ones and see whether the FeatherBA armature really makes the sound quality much better. However, I can honestly say that these are some of the best, if not the best, earbuds I have ever had in terms of sound quality. They have powerful bass, clear voice, and crisp, detailed treble. In addition, equalizer presets allows you to customize the sound to your preferences. When it comes to the active noise cancellation, the new earbuds use the same adaptive hybrid ANC up to 50 dB and quite smart 3.0 technology. If you already have previous earbuds, you will not notice any difference in noise cancellation with the new ones. However, overall, it is a very good noise cancellation, especially for budget earbuds. By the way, in the app you can choose between adaptive ANC, environment adaptive ANC, or even manual adjustment. I have never seen a manual ANC adjustment in other earphones. As for the battery of the new EarFun Air Pro 4 Plus, now you can listen to music up to 12 hours on a single charge and 54 hours with the charging case, but that is with ANC off. If you turn on ANC, the battery life will be about 8 hours on a single charge. You should also know about fast charging support. Just 10 minutes of charging the earbuds is enough for 2 hours of listening to music. You know, I didn't really expect much from the new Plus version of the EarFun Air Pro 4, but after testing these earbuds, I would like them to be called EarFun Air Pro 5, because they really have many improvements. The changes are not only in design, in particular the new charging case, but also inside the earbuds, such as dual driver system with an ultra-light FeatherBA armature and a 10mm dynamic driver, and innovative Nano Side-Fitted Acoustic Architecture. They make the sound quality even better than the previous earbuds. In addition, the new earbuds have a new software feature, AI translation. This could be very useful for you and will probably be the final reason to buy the EarFun Air Pro 4 Plus. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!